Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to set screen time goal on a Samsung phone. Now, if you want to set screen time goal on a Samsung phone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already opened settings on devices. So if you have not, you just need to open it, and this is the settings page where you will see various options on the screen. So you just need to scroll down until you see the option of digital well-being and parental control. So click on the option of digital well-being and parental control. So in this page you will be able to see all of the screen times which you have used on a day on a Samsung phone, and after that if you scroll down a bit you'll see the option of screen time goal. So click on the option of set goal, and from here you just need to select the time, how much time you want to spend on the device. So if you want to spend 5 hours and 30 minutes, then you just need to select the time like this and click on the option of done, and here it will show you the time which is remaining to spend on the device. So like this you'll be able to set your screen time goal on Samsung phone. So that's it, that's how you can set your screen time goal on Samsung. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.